Welcome to the Trans-European region of the world. This administrative division of the Seventh-day Adventist Church is made up of 22 countries. From Greenland in the northwest to Cyprus in the southeast, there are more than 200 million people living here. In this multicultural and multi-ethnic territory, 85,000 Seventh-day Adventists must find creative ways to approach a growing popularity of secular and postmodern thinking, where there is no room for God or spirituality. Additionally, world religions like Judaism and Islam enter this region from their traditional areas. Adventists there now face the challenge of connecting with other faith groups. Despite these barriers, people find that through meaningful friendships, attentive service, and reliance on God, Europeans can still be touched by the hands of a loving Creator. In Poland, the Adventist Church traces back to 1888. In the early days, the church struggled to simply gain state recognition. But after the fall of communism in 1989, over a century later, the church regained religious freedom. Even though freedom has allowed mission work, people increasingly exclude thoughts of religion. Although not large in numbers, the Polish Adventist Church is actively engaging people with modern platforms like YouTube and online streaming. Voice of Hope Television started with radio broadcasts. Today, they stream and upload translated programs on the internet. Many of the TV programs are adapted from Hope Channel, TED Media, and Adventist Mission. The translations are professionally dubbed in a small room. Over a short time, this ministry has proven to be an invaluable mission tool. Unfortunately, their production space is very limited. The team works from a couple of rooms in the basement of the Polish Union offices, and they are in great need of expansion. In Maruševac, Croatia, the Adventist Church owns and operates a high school and college. It was established in 1969. It began with classrooms and a dormitory inside a castle, and many missionaries and pastors have been trained here. Today, the school campus is built across the street from the castle. It enrolls some 230 students from a variety of denominations.
Our mission is to prepare the youth for the vibrant service in our churches and society, and we guide our students to creativity, so we transmit the gospel by our choir, poetry, and artworks. Our vision is to reconstruct the school space, build a dormitory, and make this place to be a center of Adventist lifestyle following the example of Christ. Everyone knows that our institution is a non-profit institution, and that our school has no money for a new building. But when our citizens around the school will see a new building, they will know that we have brothers and sisters around the world who help.
Our global support speaks volumes to local communities like this. Citizens of small and large cities have often recognized the worldwide reach of the Seventh-day Adventist community. The Trans-European region is an incredible part of the world. The mixture of cultures and ethnicities brings life to the amazing landscapes. And the Seventh-day Adventist Church is working hard here to share Jesus with many people who feel no need of Him. Sharing His word in this region can be challenging, but God can touch hearts and awaken in people a desire for eternal things. Please pray for Adventist mission throughout the Trans-European region, and thank you for your support.